He's bringing back the Dominique. He's killing me right now. He's killing me right now.
Showtime.
He's killing me right now.
Entertainment at its
best. Killing me right now.
That's awesome.
That's awesome right
That's
there.
awesome right
That's
there.
what you're doing, young gun. Young gun, whatever you do, you got my vote.
And give up the respect to Dominique all at the same time.
I'll give you a 10 because of respect, the height, everything. You get a 10 just because of that. I feel it.
Hey, he deserved it for giving Dominique respect.
That was off the hook.
He got 50. Got 10s right across from the judges.
I wonder if they got a D.Wilkens jersey over there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's hot.
That's Dominique, though.
I always tell people Dominique Wilkens probably the most underrated player in NBA history.
You know what? You know what I love about Josh right now? Oh my goodness! It's the fact that he's thought about this dunk contest. Like some guys come to this contest and they can fly and jump, but they have no thought. He thought about this. He brought the jersey out. He brought Kenyon Martin out. He's bringing everybody out. He might bring Chuck out. Chuck, you going out there next?
No, baby.
You know, sometimes.
Go ahead, John.
Sometimes, man, when a guy's
I'll show you where the blood's at, where the grip's at.